In this video, we're going to be doing a quick meditation to help bring us back to our center. So find yourself in a comfortable seat, on a chair, or on the ground. Place your hands on your knees. Keep your eyes open and slowly start to connect with your breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, observing what's around you, just taking it in, taking notice. Coming to our center, connecting with our breath. Gently close your eyes and just focus on breathing in and out through your nose, relaxing your shoulders, just allowing everything to settle down. Focusing on going to your center. Center of who you are. Allow the distractions to disappear. Let go of the thoughts and just be. Connecting with your breath. Taking notice of how the top of your head feels as we slowly scan down and observing our body, observing how we feel, taking notice of how our eyes feel, how our face feels. Just letting go of anything that is causing tightness or stress. Observing how our neck feels. Noticing the shoulders, your chest, your stomach as you breathe in and out. Bringing your awareness to your hips, to your thighs, to your knees. Noticing your calf muscles and bringing your awareness to your feet. Just taking notice of everything. Being that observer of your body. Being that observer of your mind. Coming back to stability and strength. Trusting yourself. Trusting the process. Trusting and just letting go. Now bring your awareness to the sounds around you. Notice what you hear. Coming back into this room. Coming back to your center. And gently open your eyes.